Okay, we made it to Riverbend County Park, or just Riverbend Park, here right on the beautiful Potomac River. There's even some picnic areas right over there. Here's the visitor center right behind me, and here's the parking area. Looks like, according to the map, that's one of two parking areas where we just parked. There's some temporary porta potties. And here's a beautiful map of the overview of the area. The light green areas, shaded areas, the whole park. And there's quite a bit to see and do here, including a multitude of trails listed here. The boat ramp, which I just showed you briefly, and the wildlife. And here's some of the rules that we have to. Here's a beautiful topographic map of the area, or maybe like a 3D map, including a couple of the trail systems. Let's take a closer look at that boat ramp. On the way down there, we're going to check out this plaque for the War of 1812. Happened in this area. Looks like there was a disastrous fire in a big old building right there. So you can park your car and trailer right there temporarily as you unload your boat and go down this very steep boat ramp. So be sure to have four-wheel drive maybe, or really good brakes if you're going to launch a boat here, because this is probably the steepest boat ramp I've ever seen. And here's a little bit about the river. Oh, you do have to pay a boat launch fee here also. All users must pay a boating fee. So the park is free and the parking is free. However, if you launch a boat here, it is $8 in that beautifully printed yellow sign. Place cash or coin in the envelope, seal it, register, deposit in the slot. $8 a day or $60 for an annual pass. And the boat launch is operating Wednesday through Monday, 11 to 4. Closed on Tuesdays, but the ramp is open year-round. Look at that. So here's some of the rules and warnings of the river. There are some huge waterfalls just south of here, down in Great Falls National Park. So if you do go south on the river, just be a fair warning. There are some very dangerous waterfalls down there. And here's the reason why we're here today. We're here a couple weeks early. The Bluebells at the Bend is a actual festival, $10 admission on April 11th, which I mentioned in my previous video. But we're here to see the Bluebells because it's a beautiful warm spring day. Warming up spring day. It did start off very chilly, and I do want to apologize. Ooh, that looks like a very dangerous invasive fish. I do want to apologize for not making it downtown DC this weekend to give you guys a update on the cherry blossoms. It was absolutely freezing cold yesterday. It started out at like 28 degrees and it only warmed up to about 45 degrees. So we didn't go downtown for the kite festival and the cherry blossoms after all. But we are here out in the park today on Sunday, March 29th, 2026. So that's it for this area. We're going to hit the trails next. We're actually going to walk south to Great Falls National Park. It looks like it's about 1.5 miles each way. So 3 miles round trip. And what else can I tell you about this area? That's about it. It's not very populated here compared to Great Falls National Park, which has many more people there. This park seems to be less popular and less populated. Plenty of trash bins around. Boat launch fee is mandatory. And there's no fishing on the ramp or from this river overlook, apparently. Or no, maybe just on the ramp. No fishing on the ramp. And no swimming. So there's the beautiful Potomac in both directions, north That's going to be east in that direction, and then south is way down there towards Great Falls National Park. So that's the direction we're heading in today. We'll see you down there in a few minutes.